Hello students, welcome to my channel AMSSS. We are going to continue our chapter 1 Heritage of India. It is the fourth part of this chapter. आज के इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे फेयर्स ऑफ गुजरात यानी कि गुजरात में लगने वाले मेले. Please subscribe, share and like after watching the video. We are describing all the fairs in detail. Fairs, Indians are celebrating fairs and festivals from ancient time. Fairs are connected with ancient religious legends and culture of that place. Fairs which we are talking about and which are mentioned in this chapter are related with the religious importance and legends. This shows the culture and traditions of the particular place where it held. So students, let's start. The first one, that is Modhera Fair. The exclusive 3 days Modhera dance festival is held every year during the third weekend of January after the conclusion of Uttarayan festival. The Sun Temple at Modhera acts as a venue and host of this festival. Classical and folk dancers and musicians from different states of the country exhibit their talent. Now go to the next one. Bahucharaji Fair. Bahucharaji located at Patan on the days like Chaitra and Ashadi Purnima, Temple Trust organizes fairs and celebrations. On these days, a large number of devotees visit and take part in the fair with full of faith and joy. It is also believed that during Agyatavas of Pandav, Arjun became Brihanala at this temple. Next one, that is Shamlaji Fair. Shamlaji Mela is held at Shamlaji situated in the Aravali district. The temple of Shamlaji stands on the Mishwa river. The Shamlaji Mela lasts for about 3 weeks around the month of November. It is long-lasting fair. Kartik Purnima is the most important day for the fair. A large number of devotees arrive to the Shamlaji fair. Among the Adivasis and Bhil community, who they lovingly refer to Shamlaji as Kadiyodev. Next is Bhadarvi Poonam Fair. This fair is held at Ambaji, which is in the Danta Taluka of Banaskantha district. The fair is held in the Hindu month of Bhadrapad, that is in the month of August-September, and held at Ambaji. Every year from all over the country, people come here by walking and also from their native place just to worship Ma Amba. Next is Bhavnath Mahadev Fair. The Bhavnath Fair is held at the Bhavnath Mahadev temple near Damodar Kund at Girnar Taleti, 8 km from Junagadh. The fair during Mahashivratri is held for 5 days, commencing from the Maghvad, that is from 9 to 12, that is in the month of February, March. People from different regions of India took part in this fair from many years, particularly from Gujarat and Marwar. Next is Tarnetar Fair. One such festival that celebrates the culture of Gujarat is the Tarnetar Mela, which takes place in Tarnetar village in the Surendranagar district of Gujarat. Based on the legend of Draupadi Swayamvar, the fair is a celebration of ethnic Gujarat's folk dance, music, costume and the art, and it is the famous fair of Gujarat. Next, that is the Bhadiyad Fair. Bhadiyad, that is one of the village of Ahmedabad district at Gujarat. There is a Dargah of Pir Mehmud Shah. The fair is held around the Dargah premises in the month of Rajab. Rajab, that is the 7th month of Islamic calendar, that is in the month of March. People come on foot and pray over here, and it is famous fair. Next is Naklang Fair. गुजरात के भावनगर में कोलियाक तट से 3 किलोमीटर अंदर अरब सागर में स्थित है निष्कलंक महादेव. यहाँ पर आकर पांडवों को अपने भाइयों के कलंक से मुक्ति मिली थी, इसीलिए इसे निष्कलंक महादेव कहते हैं. यहाँ पर शिवजी के 5 स्वयंभू शिवलिंग है. भाद्रव महीने के अमावस को यहाँ पर मेला भरता है, जिसे भाद्रवी कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट इज Madhavpur Fair. Madhavpur is a small but culturally significant village lies on the seashore close to the Porbandar. A 15th century Madhavrai temple, that is Shri Krishna's temple, marks the site. Madhavpur Fair is a colorful fair held to celebrate the marriage of Lord Krishna and Rukmani on the 9th day of the bright half of the month. The fair held over here, that is in Chaitra, that means in the month of March April. Next is Votha. Votha Fair. The fair is held at Votha during Kartik Purnima, the full moon night of the month of Kartak. It lasts for 5 days. Thousands of donkeys adorned in an array of colors. They were traded on the fair's ground at the Sangam Tirth. It is the largest trading fair of animals in Gujarat. Next fair, that is Mira Datar Fair. Mira Datar Fair held at the holy shrine of Sayyid Ali Mira Datar, located at Unawa village near Unja in Mehsana district. This fair is held in the Rajab month from 16 to 22. Millions of devotees and followers every year across the world visit Hazrat Sayyid Ali Mira Datar Dargah, having firm belief that the holy shrine is the final destination to all victims suffering from the black magic. Next is Dang Darbar Fair. The Dang Darbar Fair is a tribal festival of Gujarat and is celebrated a few days before Holi. That is generally in March month. It is usually held for either a single day or for 3 days at Ahwa. Dang Darbar is the perfect place to witness the lifestyle and cultural life of the native tribal people. Next one, Gol Gadeda Fair. It is also known as Gud Gadeda, the annual Gud Gadeda of tribals celebrated with the traditional fervor at Garhada in Dahod district. The fair is held every year on the 5th day after Holi. During the contest, youngsters dances around the 40-feet wooden pole and try to move upon it. In between dancing, the woman also beat up the man with stick. The fair still holds its traditional colors. Next one, Kartik Purnima Fair. Kartik Purnima comes in the month of November-December. Kartik Purnima Fair is celebrated in the Somnath around the temple of Somnath Mahadev. Kartik Purnima celebrates the power of Lord Shiv. It is held that Lord Shiv killed the devil Tripusar on this day. 12 ज्योतिर्लिंगों में प्रथम श्री सोमनाथ महादेव मंदिर के सानिध्य में हर वर्ष देवउठनी एकादशी से कार्तिक पूर्णिमा तक मेला लगता है. नेक्स्ट वन, भंगूरिया फेयर. दिस फेयर इज सेलिब्रेटेड फ्रॉम होली टू रंग पंचमी. इट इज अ प्रोमिनेंट ट्राइबल फेस्टिवल इन द north eastern part of Gujarat. In spite of changing living patterns, tribals religiously reverse their old ways in their celebration of their rituals and have a deep pride in their traditional culture. Here, every year the festival draws the attraction of many foreigners and non-residential Indians. So, here is the detail of all the fair. And we describe all the fairs that is mentioned over here in the table. Total 15 fairs are mentioned in your reader, and that is name of the fair, place where it held, and tithi, that is on the date which on that date the fair held. I hope you all understand the details of all these important fairs of Gujarat. See you again in our next video. Till then, bye bye. I expect subscribe, like and share for my channel. Bye. Take care.